everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Trust Wallet application using a PC. Simply watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to log into your Trust Wallet using a desktop, you'll need to first download the Android emulator on your PC. Make sure you have it first and then click it open. Once you do that, if you've already downloaded the Trust Wallet application, you'll be able to see the app displayed in the first interface. If you don't have it yet, go click on the Play Store button, search for the app and get it on your Android emulator. Once you have it, click it open. Now, if you already have a wallet on Trust Wallet, you can click on I already have a wallet and import your wallet to log into your account. If you don't, click on create a new wallet and follow the on-screen prompts. Since I already have a wallet and I'm going to log into it, let me click on I already have a wallet link at the bottom. Agree to the privacy policy by clicking on this little box at the bottom and click on the continue button in blue. Now, right where it says import, click on the multi-coin wallet button over here at the top. Now, type in your recovery phrases in the text box that appears right beneath in order to log into your account. Make sure to type in your 12 words recovery phrases correct and click on the import button at the bottom. Once you click import, wait for a few seconds. Your wallet is being imported, and there you have been logged into your Trust Wallet account using your desktop. Click on Done. If you want to enable push notifications to stay up to date, click on Enable. If not, click on the cross icon at the top left. This is your wallet page or the first interface for your Trust Wallet. All of the coins that you have will be displayed on this page over here, and that is how you can easily log into your Trust Wallet account using your PC. Remember that whenever you wish to log into your Trust Wallet application using the PC, you need to open up your BlueStacks Android emulator or any other Android emulator of your choice and use your Trust Wallet from there. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.